Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right at the start of the spring season, it's time to get our gardening tools back up and running. So today we look at the sharpening of a hedge shear. So let's get right in. For sharpening you will need some sort of sharpening stone. I have these Lansky stones right here. You can also use a piece of sandpaper on a stick or a file. That should also work quite well. I'm gonna use my new diamond Lansky sharpening stone for this. So to get started we will need to take our shears apart. It will make sharpening a whole lot easier. So now we have the two sides of our gardening shears and we'll pick one to start off. Sharpening works like a knife, so we have a one-sided bevel. So we will only sharpen on this side and then use the back side just to break off the burr. To find the correct sharpening angle we can use our trusty Sharpen method and cover the edge in it. It will help you find where you've taken away material, but since this blade is quite dirty I don't think I need it. So let's just start off. Gonna put a bit of water on my diamond stone here and then start following the angle that has been ground in these shears. You can see the grind is going very nicely. Don't just follow the angle that has been ground in the shears. Don't try to reprofile anything or sharpen in any specific angle that you found on the internet, because it will take you a super long time and it isn't worth the effort. I'm now done with the sharpening. As you can see we have a very nice shiny edge right here and you can even hear the burr where my fingernail catches, and now we just need to take it off. So for this, turn it on the back, take your Lansky stone and then start flattening the back side and taking this little bit of steel off. That's already enough. This isn't like a chef's knife where you have to be really picky with how the blade turns out. If the major nicks are out and you can feel it to be quite sharp, then you're absolutely fine. So let's test out the sharpness real quick. Didn't bite there. I think that's enough for a piece of gardening equipment. Just repeat the same step with the other half of your pair of shears and then you're ready to go for the spring season. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting and learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.